Hello YouTube, it's me again. So that's me just installed the cooler system. It was actually a lot easier than I thought. Quite simple. You have a X plate on the back, put it, and you see you line it up with your certain thing. Mine's a 1156 LGA socket. Yeah, you line it up, tighten the screws up, place it, make sure if you've got any thermal paste on there, take it off before you actually put the new one on, and you could reapply a new strip if you want. I took it off with nail varnish remover. Came off quite nicely, nice and clump, and I just removed the blue fan out of there and put this one there. Well, I don't mind because I'll probably use that blue fan for somewhere else in the case. But yeah, it's starting to look good. I've still got to put in, and I've hooked the cables up to the two top ones. I don't know if you can see that. Probably can't. Just see those two brown cables there. Yeah, the 4-pin one is for the actual fan itself, 3 pins for the coolant. So that should work. And yeah, so next thing is probably installing the RAM and the graphics card. So I'll come back for that. Okay.